Napakagaling, napakaganda ng story.
Nakakaiyak, nakakakilig.
Actually, pangalawang beses ko na siyang napanood at papanoorin ko siya ulit. Na in love ako dito. Hanggang ngayon, pag pinag-uusapan, lutang pa rin ako sa galing.
Napakagandang pelikula, Direct Kathy Molina, such an excellent job, wonderful direction. Angel and John Lloyd, grabe yung chemistry yung dalawa. Sobrang maramdaman
I
yung
think
passion.
lahat tayo pinagdadasal natin na whatever relationship we get into, it will be lasting and it will be one na based on a foundation of love. Both John Lloyd and for Angel, hindi lang yung characters nila as yung falling in love, but yung characters nila as parts of family ang naparamdam sa atin. It's a movie worth watching and magandang-maganda talaga ang chemistry ni John Lloyd at Angel.
Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa Unofficially Yours, especially dun sa yung barkada scene nila, yung nandun sila sa condo. Sobrang nakakatawa yun.
Actually, hindi ko ganun in-expect na ganun yung movie na ganun ka-daring, ganun ka-bold.
Ang ganda ng pelikula kasi nangyayari talaga yun sa totoong buhay.
It's a riveting story. It's a love story. It's a contemporary story. Unofficially Yours is officially on its third blockbuster week. Watch it.